Corporate growth is about telling stories that resonate and sell. But in a world saturated with information and where buyers are bombarded with many choices and decisions, how can you help them navigate that complexity? The answer lies in telling a story. At the heart of this approach is the buyer journey storyboard. Humans are visual and emotive. We process images faster than text. We look for shortcuts. Stories are a great way to help buyers make decisions. A well-crafted story, broken into many different touch points, can captivate your buyer and help them navigate their own path to success. Stories are more engaging than a dry presentation or a wall of text. They are also something that buyers can take their ownership of and begin to tell when you're not there. This emotional connection is vital to driving experiences that matter to buyers while positioning your organization as helpful, trusted, and experienced. The Hero Journey Storyboard helps you create the familiar scenes that buyers will encounter on their quest. It allows you to script out the buyer's journey through waypoints of progress, so you can be their guide. The Hero Journey Storyboard allows you to visualize the buyer's journey from the first touch point to the final purchase and define critical decision points along the way. This holistic view helps create a cohesive narrative that guides your audience, while also providing them the help and support they need to enroll others in the changes they want to make. What exactly is a storyboard? It's a visual representation of your buyer's journey and their problem-solving process over time. Each critical scene of the storyboard represents a specific touch point in the buyer's journey, showing what the buyer needs to see, hear, and decide at each stage. This visual approach makes it easier to identify gaps, refine your messaging, and ensure a seamless experience for your buyers. Think of it as a comic strip or graphic novel for your sales and marketing efforts. The beauty of a storyboard lies in its simplicity and its focus on the buyer, not you, your company, or your product. A whiteboard, sticky notes, and your imagination are all you need to get started. You can begin by identifying your buyers and their pain points. What are they moving away from? What are they trying to move towards? What quest are they on? Each panel in your storyboard should represent a specific decision stage in the buyer's journey. For example, the first panel might show your audience becoming aware of a problem they have, and the next might show them researching solutions. Each panel should clearly communicate the message you want to convey at that stage. Warby Parker, the online eyewear retailer, is a prime example of storyboarding done right. They understood their target audience, millennials who wanted stylish yet affordable glasses. They crafted a story that resonated, addressing pain points like the hassle of going to a physical store and the high cost of designer frames. Their solution? Home try-on and stylish frames at revolutionary prices. Warby Parker's success wasn't just about the product, it was about the story they told. A story that resonated with their target audience and propelled them to success.